Dear students and parents, I would like to present and promote a program that our students from European International School enrolled in a physics course could get involved in. It will take place next year, March 1st to April 11. The goal is to expose students to cutting-edge physics research, modern, cool, awesome, contemporary physics. Students will be part of a particle physics worldwide community, the International MasterClass Hands-on Particle Physics. The main ingredients needed are laptop computers, curiosity, enthusiasm, and desire to learn something new. The organizations behind the student program are CERN in Geneva, Fermilab in Chicago, Technical University in Dresden, European Physical Society, the Particle Physics Group, and the QuarkNet Education Program from University of Notre Dame in Indiana. You might wonder, where is LHC and what's going on at CERN? LHC stands for the Large Hadron Collider, and it is the world's largest and highest energy particle accelerator. It was built at CERN, the nuclear research facility located near Geneva at the border between Switzerland and France. There we go. It is a tunnel built 100 meters under the ground, 27 kilometers in circumference, and here the scientists accelerate two beams of protons, one going clockwise and the other one going counterclockwise, and those beams are smashed against each other in 4 different locations around the ring. So here is a cartoon picture of the facility under the ground, and there are about 100 billion collisions that are happening every second. In the beginning, the protons are accelerated in a small ring, and then in a large ring, then in a larger ring, and eventually they injected into the main rings. As I mentioned, in 4 locations around the main ring, there are 4 detectors: LHCb, Atlas, Alice, and CMS. The detectors are big, powerful cameras that take pictures of the collision, which are later read and digitized by computers. For a particular event, the computer-generated image looks something like this. So here is where the students comes in the program. Feel free to access this link, physicsmasterclasses.org. The web page looks something like this with many links, and feel free to explore it. And the main idea is the students are taught to interpret and learn about particle physics using real, authentic experimental data. The project map, and we are here in the beginning of the planning phase. Students will analyze data collected from the CMS and the Atlas detectors. Other school closest to the Philippines that are doing this program is in Shanghai at Concordia International School, and it happens to know the physics teacher there, Mr. Joel Klemmer. He ran the program for the first time last year, and I attended the QuarkNet summer teacher program this past summer in July before coming to Manila. And we think that if we combine knowledge and forces, we can have a successful program. The proposed dates are March 17 to 19, 2017 at Concordia International School for the workshop with the students. In addition, the student will have the opportunity to visit the Shanghai synchrotron radiation facility, similar to the one at CERN, but a little bit smaller. From European International School, the program applies to the students enrolled in the IB Physics and possible the 10D students and the Premier students for German and French. Upon return from Shanghai, we will schedule a video conference at school or any other location where we have reliable internet according with the schedule provided, where the students will interact with scientists either from CERN or from Fermilab. There are some costs associated with the program, the airfare from Manila to Shanghai, 3 nights lodging, but also there's a possibility to stay with the students' families while in Shanghai for 3 nights, and food. Also, something that we talk in class about it, to consider an optional extension to actual visit CERN in Geneva, either during a spring break or during the summer or during the autumn break later in October next year. So that's about it. Feel free to send me an email or give me a call if you have any additional questions.